compliments from Marcio and Mr. Suji. The Philippines is very much delighted to be hosting this international conference on tourism statistics. This only shows that the Philippines, as a founding member of the World Tourism Organization way back in the 70s, continues to be a leading country in Southeast Asia insofar as shaping the policies and the programs of the World Tourism Organization. As mentioned earlier, it was in Manila way back in 1980 that the Philippines contributed in shaping the policy of the World Tourism Organization. And that Manila Declaration in 1980 continues to serve as the basis of the various declarations and policies that have been enunciated by the World Tourism Organization, whether internally, cooperation with other countries, and with other international organizations. The hosting of this conference on tourism statistics this year aims to again make the Philippines as a vital support or country in Southeast Asia to be leading the cause of discussing the importance of linking not only the measurement of the social and economic aspect of tourism, but also looking at the environmental aspect of tourism. Because no other countries have also already taken note or effort in terms of how much the contribution of tourism in terms of the preservation of the environment. There are anecdotal researches, but there are no scientific basis as mentioned earlier. And through this particular conference, we want to start that dialogue between the statistical agencies, the environment department, and also the tourism agency, so that they will be agreeing on a common standard and a common methodology in terms of how to assess the impact or the contribution of tourism to the preservation of the environment. Also, this particular conference will bring to us a very important, again, support of the World Tourism Organization, which in the past has been very generous to the Philippines. In fact, the first tourism development plan of the Philippines way back in the 1990s was prepared through the kind assistance of the World Tourism Organization then. It was a 20-year plan, which was followed by a 6-year plan thereafter. And the WTO has been instrumental in terms of capacitating the different officials of the Department of Tourism in terms of a better understanding of the global tourism industry and how the trends in the global tourism industry can be inputted as part of the developmental and promotional aspect of the Philippine tourism industry. We are very grateful to be continually working with the World Tourism Organization, and we hope that in the coming years, that collaboration between the Philippines, specifically the Department of Tourism, and the World Tourism Organization will be further deepened as we try to pursue more activities and programs, not only in terms of hosting conferences, but also in terms of other cooperative programs that would really benefit the Philippines as a country.
All right, we now have